Rivets on your hinge? Absolutely the ultimate solution. Still screwing in hinges like it's 1995? Stop. Seriously, put down that screwdriver and save yourself the trouble. Screws are outdated, slow, and honestly, a little embarrassing. The perfect method to secure hinges now is with rivets. Yes, rivets. They're faster, cleaner, and make screws look like the amateur option. Follow this step-by-step guide and watch how these tiny metal wonders effortlessly hold your hinges in place. After this, you'll never go back to screws. Your hinges deserve better, and frankly, so do you.